place a hold on a library item, start at the main search bar. You can use the search bar to search most of our print and electronic holdings. If you find an ebook or an electronic journal article, you can access those from any computer, but print books need to be picked up in person. Placing a hold on a print book means we find the book on the shelf for you and put it at the information desk to be picked up at your convenience. So, when I search W.E.B. Du Bois, I find this book, and I know it's in a print book because it says it's in the McGraw-Page library. To put a hold on this book, click on the title, and then click on the Place Hold button on the right side of the screen. At this point, you might be prompted to log in using your Randolph-Macon credentials. Then, you'll be taken to the Hold Request screen. If the book you're requesting is only one volume, just hit Submit at the bottom of the screen. If there's multiple volumes or a special edition that you want, or anything like that, you can indicate it in this box at the bottom. And then you can just hit Submit Request. Here you'll see that your hold has been submitted, and you'll receive an email when the book is ready to be picked up. Once you've received that email, go to the library and go to the information desk. There will be a cart of books in front of the desk. Find the book you requested and check it out. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to get in touch with the librarian either through email or through chat on the library homepage. You can also ask the folks at the information desk and they'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.